If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
Milwaukee high torque impact gun. It's a lot of power. It's a lot stronger than even using the corded half-inch.
Breaks every bolt I put it on free. It's got lots of torque. That's what I like, lots of torque.
The Milwaukee high torque wrench has replaced all my air tools. I love it. I don't have an airline dragging behind me.
1,400 pounds in reverse to break bolts free is like awesome. And then 1,000 pounds going back on, I don't worry about it coming back loose.
The 4-mode drive control is very important, so we're not over-torquing smaller fittings and we're applying plenty of torque to the larger fittings.
It's balanced real well. It was strong. You know, it's a lot faster.
It's light, powerful, and it makes my job go faster.
I work twice as fast. Now I just grab the gun and go.
The Milwaukee high torque for, the power that it's delivering, the size is perfect. The compactness is very helpful getting around tight spaces.
When I'm using the fuel high torque wrench, I can get in a lot more spaces, tighter corners versus my air tools.
The Milwaukee tool high torque wrench, it makes my job easier, makes my job faster. I got everything I need right in one tool.
This high torque Milwaukee tool is extremely tough. It does the job.